right. Do you see what I see here? Yeah, earthworms. There's one there. Here's one here. There was actually a small one down here as well. But that's a sign of good, healthy soil. Here. You see, this is the corn just coming up there. Still about a ½ inch below coming out of the ground. There's another one right there. So this corn was planted, when was this planted? 7 days ago, 1 week ago. So this is no-till. I have been no-tilling this farm, how many years? 5 years now? Yeah, about 5 years. So this is what we like to see, are the earthworms here. That's a sign of good, healthy soil. These earthworms are going down and digging up the soil, loosening it up. Here's a dead one. Well, no, it's not dead. It's still moving around there. So yeah, we've got quite a few earthworms here. Okay, I've still got one more field to plant. That was the field that I had to level tracks in, so that ground is still a little wet, but I think by tomorrow afternoon I'll be able to plant. I'm just up here putting that closing wheel on the planter, the one that I put the bearing in, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the corn in the planter, have it ready to go, check everything else out, and hopefully tomorrow afternoon it'll be dry enough to get up here and finish planting this corn. That's the hope anyway. 50, what is it, about 59, 60 degrees right now. I think we're only going up to about between 60 and 65 today. We had a low overnight of about 50 degrees. But hey, I think the wind is, well, yeah, you can see the trees moving, so the wind is blowing. But hey, I think the sun is supposed to shine today. That's good news. Look at this new toy that I bought. You know where I got it from? Yep, my local hardware store. Yeah, this is the Milwaukee battery-operated trimmer. And I like it. Now, this did come with the battery, unlike the blower. This came with the battery. This has got the 9.0, but I can use the 12.0 whatever battery I had on the blower the other day. This has got the rabbit and turtle. There's the rabbit. Hey, okay. And see how quiet it is? And there's the turtle. So I was almost finished with the weed eating around here when I realized, hey, maybe I should pull the camera out. So I've got just a little bit here left to let me show you how this thing does. So far, I'm pleased with it. And because of this potential gas shortage that we have, the battery will come in handy. These battery operated things will come in handy. I just did fill up 3 5-gallon cans this morning for the mower because that's not battery operated. $2.95 a gallon, I think, is what I paid for it. Okay, let's show you what this thing does. I've just got a little bit left here to trim up. I'm gonna leave it on turtle for you. Okay, there you go. I think for for most people, if you stay on top of the trimming every week, the turtle setting is probably all you're going to need, and then I would assume you'll get more battery life out of it. So this is the longest. I just spent, how long did it take me? About 15 minutes going around the shop here and trimming up a few things. So this is the longest I've had this in my hand. I like the feel of it. I like the length of the bar. I'm not bending over to get the weeds, it seems like. Let's see, my battery, I'm showing 2 lights out of 4 on the battery. For the most part, I used the turtle setting for most of the time. Now I've been using this off and on just a little bit around my house for a couple of minutes at a time just to try it out. So yeah, so far I like it. We'll see. Yeah, not much else to say about that. Would you look at this? I got my lawnmower stuck. Yeah, I just kind of got down in that ditch a little too far. So I'm gonna try to pull it out with the gator. That should pull it out, I hope. We'll see. That's the problem with this newfangled stuff. The old lawnmowers, you could put in gear, jump off the seat, and then kind of push it out on your own. But these newfangled things, they got too many safety features on them. Hydrostatic drive. I guess I could have figured out a way to put some pressure on that pedal for the hydrostatic to go on its own, but oh well, I got it out and nobody got hurt. And one of the things I forgot to point out on the trimmer here, this must be an automatic feed on the string. I think it's an automatic feed head, because not once did I have to bump the head to let more string out. I mean, it is a bump head, but I know that string is not that tough that I went as far as I did without needing to bump the head. I don't know, I should read the owner's manual on that and figure it out. Okay, back to cutting grass. Let's stay out of the ditch. Yeah, well, that didn't last long. I went 10 feet. Yep, it slid down and it's stuck again, so but I didn't take this to the shop, so I didn't have to walk again. All right, let's see if I can stay out of the ditch this time. Third time's a charm, right? Yep, you guessed it. Stuck again. I just need to stay away from this ditch. I cut this ditch all summer last year. Never got stuck. But this isn't last year, I guess. Okay, well, you look at that. This is Ridge. This is the gas station across from my hardware store. This is Tuesday evening, May 11th. It is 5:30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in this line that I can see, and there's probably 5 or 6 in the other line. I got a report that the gas station 4 miles north of here is out of gas. Apparently, this gas station ran out of gas a couple hours ago, but the tanker just left. That's what the media can do. Panic porn. I guess the media has gotten everybody all riled up, thinking we're running out of gas because of this pipeline. It's a bigger, I'm sure it's a bigger conspiracy theory here. And I doubt it's conspiracy. It could have something to do with our government forcing or doing their own cyber attack, or maybe even lying to us that maybe there wasn't a cyber attack on the pipeline, but it's to push the Green New Deal. I mean, that's one way to look at this. They want to push the Green New Deal, but that's just crazy. This is Ridge. The last time this happened was in the 70s under the Carter administration. Okay, I've got cardboard to get here and trash to get from the store, and then it's home to have a drink. Okay, it's gotten worse. Just in the 5 minutes it took me to put cardboard and trash on the back of the truck. And I just got a text from somebody over there in line that said, 87 they are now out of. Now the tanker truck just left here 40 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, and so they're already out of 87 octane. The credit card machine is not working, so they have to go inside to pay first. This is crazy, people. Just absolutely crazy. So I'm not sure if you saw it on the video when I was showing the gas line, but let me put the window up here. There was actually a lawnmower in line as well to fill up with gas. Yeah. So I'm not worried about gas because, see, can you see that? Full tank. I filled up yesterday, so I'm okay. I've got a couple more bottles of ginger ale here. It is almost 6 o'clock, so I'm going home and I'm having an adult beverage. Jameson and ginger ale. Yep, that's what I'm gonna have. First, I will have a bonfire. I've got to burn all the cardboard. Hey, I guess I can drink while I'm having a bonfire and burning cardboard. Yes. Okay, it's only going to get worse from here, and you know it's Trump's fault. The gas issue is Trump's fault. Just in case you hadn't heard that already. All right, that's enough. See ya. See ya.